Hi everyone, welcome back. Waving hand sign. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete login and registration process of this matrimony website step by step. In our previous video, we saw how to browse and use the matrimony site without logging in. But to unlock all the important features like sending interests, viewing full profiles, and setting partner preferences, you need to create an account. So let's start from the beginning. Right now, we are on the login page. Here you can see the regular login option where you enter your email ID and password. If you already have an account, simply enter your details and click login. If you don't remember your password, you can choose login with OTP, which allows you to log in using a one-time password sent to your mobile number. You also have the continue with Google option for quick and easy login. Now, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Let's click on Sign Up and start the registration process. First, you need to select who the profile is for. You can choose male or female depending on the profile you are creating. After selecting, click Continue. Next, enter the name of the person and select the date of birth carefully. Make sure the age is correct because this will be shown on your profile. Once done, click Continue. Now, select your religion, community, and country. These details are important for matching preferences later. After selecting the correct options, click Continue. In the next step, enter your email ID and mobile number. Make sure both are active because you will receive verification messages. After entering the details, click Submit. Now enter your city and subcommunity, then click Continue. Next, select your highest qualification. After that, enter your college name and school name. This helps others understand your educational background. Then click Continue. Now we move to the professional details section. Here, select what you are working as, whether you are working in a private company, government job, business, or self-employed. Next, select your industry. Then enter your company name. After that, enter your income, either yearly or monthly, based on the option provided. Once all work details are filled correctly, click Continue. Now you will see the About Me section. Here you can write a short description about yourself. Click Create Account. You will now receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Verify OTP. Once verified, your profile will be successfully created. Next, you can upload your profile photo. There will be some guidelines shown on the screen, like using a clear image, avoiding group photos, and uploading a recent picture. You can follow these do's and don'ts for better profile visibility. You may skip this step, but uploading a good photo increases your profile response rate. Now comes an important step, Aadhaar card verification. This step is mandatory for secure login and profile authenticity. Aadhaar verification ensures that the profile is genuine and increases trust within the platform. So complete the verification process carefully. After verification, click Continue. Now select your hobbies and interests. You need to select at least 5. Choose options that truly represent your interests, like music, traveling, reading, sports, cooking, etc. Then click Save and Continue. Next, we move to family details. Here enter father's name, mother's name, father's occupation, mother's occupation, number of brothers, number of sisters, family financial status. These details help in providing a complete background. Now we come to one of the most important sections, partner preferences. Here you can customize what kind of partner you are looking for. First, set the age range using the slider. Next, set the height range. Then select marital status. You can keep it open to all or choose a specific preference. After that, select religion and community. Choose mother tongue. Select education level and qualification. Choose profession or working with option. Set the annual income preference if required. Now select location preferences, country living in and state living in. You can also choose who manages the partner's profile, self, parents, or others. Finally, take your time to set these preferences properly because this will directly impact your match results. Once all details are completed, click Continue. And now, you will be redirected to your profile dashboard. Here you can see your complete profile overview, matches, interests, notifications, and other features. And that's it. This is the complete step-by-step process of login and registration for this matrimony website. In the next video, we will explore the profile settings section in detail, where you can edit information, manage privacy settings, and update your preferences anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.